Hey there. Is your Jaspr running on high all the time or jumping erratically between green and red? It's very likely that your Jaspr sensor module is clogged by an overaccumulation of dust. But don't worry, there's a way to clean it. All you're gonna need is a compressed air can and a soft surface. So, let's begin. Step 1, turn off and unplug your Jaspr. Step 2, gently flip your Jaspr over and remove the Jaspr filter inside. Step 3, locate the sensor module here and blow the compressed air from the outside towards the sensor. Step 4, repeat the previous steps in reverse and your Jaspr should be up and running like before.